Hamza, what are we doing today? 4.6%. And what can you now do, Kaden? I can
change between fractions, percents, and decimals.
You can now change between fractions, percents, and decimals. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm telling you, in this lesson, we pretty much only focused on fractions and decimals because if I gave you 99%, can you guys easily tell me what fraction that is?
Yeah.
What is it, you guys?
99 over 100.
This is 99 over 100. And what's the decimal?
99,000.
99.
9,900. Sorry.
What's the decimal?
9,900.
99 hundredths.
We forgot about this, but we go later because of JA today, right?
I know, yep. Okay, so you guys can do percents to fractions and decimals, right?
Yeah.
And then if I gave you a, just for kicks and giggles here, if I gave you a decimal like 87 hundredths, how do you write that as a fraction?
87 over 100.
And how do you write that as a percent?
87%.
So you guys are really good at this, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the one that we have a little bit of problem with, or the one that we need to work a little bit harder on, this is for everybody, would be fractions to decimals. And if you look at number 3, number 4, number 5, we all did these. If I gave you 23 hundredths, could you easily convert that to a decimal?
Yes.
You write 23 hundredths, right?
Yeah.
Because 23 hundredths is said 23 hundredths in decimal form. Because the 2 is in what place? What place value?
Tenths.
And the 3 is in what place value?
Hundredths.
And the last number determines what we say, right?
Yeah.
So we say 23
Hundredths.
Okay, and here we have 9/10. So we have a decimal, and what place value is the 9 in?
10.
And do we have anything else?
No.
So 9/10, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 99,000, same deal. Let's keep on going down to, number 6. You all did this one for number 6. You have 2/5, and we said, okay, 5 is not a 10, it's not 100, it's not 1,000, right?
No.
Yes, no?
No.
So a lot of you said, Mr. Podger, 5 can easily be converted, or 2/5 can easily be converted to something over 100. Or it can be converted to something over 10, and once we have that, we can write our decimal, right?
Yeah.
So you guys did all that, you're so super good. The problem was, Marissa, what happens when we, at 6/25, same thing. What happens when we get to 3/7? Does 7 easily go into 10?
No.
Does 7 easily go into 100?
No.
Does 7 easily go into 1,000?
No.
Does 7 easily go into any number that is a place value?
No.
So therefore we're like, okay, now we're in trouble. And we can't really convert 3/7 into a number with a denominator that goes into a place value, right, Tristan? Yeah. So what we said we can do is we can simply do a division problem, because we know fractions are,
Division.
we'll do that again, fractions are.
Division problem.
So what we did is we took 3/7 and we put the 3 inside the box, because that's what you do. And we put the 7 outside the box, and then we just did some division. And in this classroom, you always round to the nearest what? 100th, unless you're told otherwise, right? You always round to the nearest 100th. So we did the division right here, and we got 0.428, which we rounded to 0.43, and we say 0.43 as what? How do you say 0.43? Sarah, how do you say 0.43 really loud? 43 hundredths, right? Tenths place, hundredths place, 43 hundredths. So we would say 3/7 is exactly 43 hundredths or approximately 43 hundredths. We rounded it, right? So it's approximately 43 hundredths. Okay, you got that?
Yes.
So 3/7 is not 43 hundredths, it's approximately 43 hundredths because we rounded. Got it?
Yeah.
Any questions or anything we should do?